Okay folks, Grandpa Gaming here. What I'm about to show you is homemade almond, joy, or mounds bars. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with 1/2 cup white Karo corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 10 large marshmallows, has to be 10. These are jumbo, so I'm only gonna use 5 of these because these bad boys are huge. 2 cups of coconut. This is sweetened coconut. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Roasted almonds. And then 1 bag of Ghiradelli milk chocolate. And if you're going to make mounds bars, you can use dark chocolate for those. And these are Bake Believe dark chocolate, no sugar added. These are like bittersweet chocolate. So I'm going to put these things together and I will be right back. As you can see, I've prepped the coconut, formed them, got the almonds in the center. I've got the chocolate on the double boil cooker here. So in a short while, I'll be dipping these and putting them back in the fridge. Talk to you later. There's my lovely wife and my Aunt June. And these are my rendition of Almond Joy bars. So I had some, they had some. So what do you think, folks?
They're delicious.
I think they're better than Almond Joys.
And there you have it, folks. There you have it. Straight from the horse's mouth. Bon appetit. Mm-hmm.